Hello students, today we will discuss about sentences simple, compound and complex. We have discussed earlier that sentences are of four kinds: declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Each of these is used for a different purpose. Now, on the basis of structure, we can divide sentences into three broad categories. Types of sentences. Sentence: simple, compound, complex. Means there are three types of sentence. Now, simple sentence: a sentence which has only one finite verb is called a simple sentence. Means सिंपल सेंटेंस में ओनली वन फाइनाइट वर्ब होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मोहित ड्रिंक्स वाटर. मीन्स मोहित सब्जेक्ट है, ड्रिंक्स वर्ब है एंड वाटर ऑब्जेक्ट है. हियर ओनली वन फाइनाइट वर्ब ड्रिंक्स. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस: Ravi and Meena read a lesson. Here also one finite verb, read. So we can say that both of them sentences are simple sentences. Next, compound sentence and coordinate clause. A sentence which is made up of two or more principal or main clauses is called a compound sentence. The clause of compound sentence are called coordinate clause. Means compound sentence में दो principal clauses, main clauses होती हैं जो एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड नहीं होती हैं. Now next point, the coordinate clause of a compound sentence are joined by coordinating conjunctions like as well as, no less than, but, still, yet, or, only, for, so, therefore and so on. Means these are the conjunctions which are used in compound sentence. One more thing, fanboys. It is only one word, but it contains 8 conjunctions. By this word, means with the help of this word, you can learn these conjunctions of compound sentence. F for fan, F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for still or so. For example, he is poor but he is honest. If a compound sentence, in this point, listen carefully, if a compound sentence consists of two clauses and the subject of both the clauses are same, the second subject is usually not mentioned. By this definition, we can say that in compound sentence, if two subjects are same, means both clauses have subject same, then we can say the second subject is usually not mentioned. For example, Sina sat in the park and she read a lesson. Means you can write this sentence in this way: Sina sat in the park and read a book. Now next point, third type, complex sentence and subordinate clauses. A sentence which is made up of a principal clause and one or more subordinate clauses is called a complex sentence. Next point, a subordinate clause is joined to the main clause by a subordinating conjunctions. मीन्स जो subordinate clause होती है वो join की जाती है main clause से by conjunction. These conjunctions are like that, when, after, whenever, while, till, since, whenever, as, so that, if, unless, though, yet, although, etc. For example, Meena knew that her doll was the prettiest. Means Meena knew, it is main clause, that her doll was the prettiest. It is the subordinate clause. Next point, we will discuss about exercise first. He can come first if he swims faster. It is complex sentence because in it he can come first. It is main clause. If he swims faster, it is subordinate clause. Next, the dog was hungry. It is simple sentence because in this sentence only one finite verb was. It is the main verb in this sentence. She was uncomfortable because of dust allergy. It is simple sentence also because it has only one finite verb was. Next, it was difficult puzzle but Rohit could solve it. It is compound sentence because there are two coordinate clauses. It was difficult puzzle one and another Rohit could solve it. If we will miss this conjunction but, still both coordinate clauses give their differently meaning, means they are not dependent on each other. So I hope you can understand these types of sentences clearly. Okay, thanks.